Today we'll talk about how to upload existing annotations that you have prepared onto our platform. So in this project, you can see that we don't have any annotations made yet in the data that we have uploaded. We'll go to the dataset page, under Upload/Export Annotations tab, click Upload Annotations. And in the dialog, select from the extensive list of supported format that you are uploading. And in my case, I will select the CSV for corner detection that I have. And there are guidance and documentation shown which you can check for the expected format for each of the type that you have selected. And after that, we click Next, upload the files that we have, and click Submit. And wait for the file to upload and queue to process the annotations. And after a while, once we saw the status have been completed, we can go to the annotator, filter the cell group images that I have, and now we can see all the annotations that have been uploaded and reflect on the dataset that we have.